Yeah.
The incidence of fire in one of the coach of the stable rate in Margao yard was noticed somewhere around 2:50 hours today, and immediately it was informed to the fire brigade, Margao. This stable rate, it was all the coaches of this stable rate, they were in locked condition, and it appears it would be some misprint. As of now, we are not sure whether it's misprint activity, but we will be investigating. And CDA supervisor team is being formed to investigate this incident. So immediately after, once this fire brigade had arrived, prior to that, this because since our line is electrified, that electric power was shut down, and that coach, that particular coach which had caught fire, it was moved away from the rest of the coach. That's how other coaches could save it. So only this coach was, and fire brigade immediately on informing them, they have reached that spot and extinguished that fire. So extent of damage will be assessed now by this committee.